Hi guys, and welcome back to Cute Life Hacks. I'm currently running a big slime and squishy giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is just leave a comment containing a koala emoji under my 20 slime experiment video here. The link is right down below and up here, so if you want to join, then just take a second to click on it. You can win all of the silicone squishies shown here, plus a set of clear macaroon slimes. So I've been looking forward to making this video for so long. This is the GlamGlow Glitter Mask, and it's the most expensive face mask in the world. It also happens to be a peel-off mask, which means it contains PVA, which means we can use it for making slime. Just in terms of raw ingredients, this is probably the most expensive thing you could possibly get for making slime. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I bought this myself when I was in Los Angeles earlier this year, and I love the fact that it says Hollywood, California on the packaging, because I think that's the only place on earth where you could justify paying this much for glitter and PVA. If you follow me on Instagram under my username Macaroon, then you can watch my story highlight of all the other stuff I did when I was in LA. I have to admit that this mask looks gorgeous. It's black, it's holographic, it's got stars in it, so it could actually make an amazing slime. However, just for comparison, I'm also going to try remaking the slime using the cheapest ingredients possible. I found this face mask on sale in Primark for basically $1, and I'm going to use 5 of these plus a bunch of glitter that I have at home to see if I can make something that looks just like this. So without any further ado, let's get started with our experiments. The packaging for Glitter Mask is pretty on point for all holosexuals. They definitely knew they were creating a product for the YouTube crowd. I do want to add that this genuinely works well as a face mask. It smells like pineapple, it's super satisfying to peel off, and your skin feels great afterwards. However, I really doubt that this costs anywhere close to $70 to make. As we all know, peel-off face masks are made from PVA and water, and the rest of it contains glitter and some skincare ingredients. First of all, let's scoop everything into a bowl. This container contains 50 milliliters of product, which is about the same as a very small tube of glue. The mixture feels quite thick, and I also wanted to bulk it out, so I diluted it with a few teaspoons of water. Now I'm adding a few pinches of baking soda, followed by contact lens solution. Just like the recipe from my original face mask slime, I'm adding these ingredients bit by bit to prevent overactivating the mixture. Once the slime starts to pull away from the side of the bowl like this, you know that you're almost done. Just add a tiny bit more contact lens solution or slime activator until it no longer sticks to your skin. This slime turned out really well and has a slightly fluffy texture due to all the mixing. The great thing about black slimes is that air bubbles and dirt don't show up as easily, so you can play with it for longer without anything looking dirty. I was quite impressed by this slime, however you don't get a lot of it. As you can see, it barely fills 1.5 small containers, so it's not great value for money. You can win 12 of these slimes all at once by entering my giveaway below. Now the big question is whether I can create a duplicate slime using incredibly cheap ingredients. The glitter mask pot contains 50 milliliters, which is equivalent to 5 of these small face masks. I found these on sale, so the total cost was only around $6. Next up, I want to analyze the glitter composition of the expensive mask. I'm using the lid which I peeled away from the top. As you can see, the mixture contains holographic stars, chunky hexagon-shaped black and hollow glitter, and a backdrop of black and hollow micro glitter. By total coincidence, I recently received a pack of holographic stars that look almost identical to the ones in here. These came as a free gift inside another package of glitter that I ordered from AliExpress. So these didn't actually cost me anything, but even if you ordered the same ones online, they should only be a few dollars. The only difference is that my stars are microscopically smaller than the ones inside GlamGlow. However, this is not even noticeable unless you actually compare the two. The other glitters are a bit more difficult to match up exactly. The closest ones I could find was this black hollow glitter dust, a small hexagon-shaped hollow glitter, and a very fine pure black glitter. First of all, I'm going to scoop all the cheap face masks into a bowl. This one has a very artificial flowery smell, which isn't very pleasant, and it also feels a lot stickier than the GlamGlow mask. Next, it's time to add some sparkle. I thought I added enough, but after stirring it through, I was surprised to see that everything sinks in pretty quickly. So I kept on adding more, but it always seemed to disappear every time I stirred it. At this point, I was a bit disappointed because I thought this face mask is probably more opaque than the other one, which means that the glitter will always end up hidden. However, after leaving the mixture alone for a bit, the pieces rise back to the top, and this one actually looks a lot like the glitter mask. Just like the first slime, I diluted it with a few teaspoons of water, followed by some baking soda and contact lens solution. This one activated much faster than the GlamGlow slime, and I think it's because cheaper face masks actually contain more PVA. The glitter mask takes 30 minutes to dry, which is unusually long compared to drugstore masks. Since PVA is the ingredient that you actually peel off, this means you can dilute cheaper masks more than the expensive ones, and therefore create more volume for your slime. So now I'm slightly shook because this slime looks identical to the first one. I was honestly expecting the cheaper one to look slightly less pretty, but these two are literally the same. I'm filming this on super close up and you can barely see a difference. For some weird reason, the black chunky glitter inside the GlamGlow slime kept sticking to everything, which actually made it more of a hassle to play with. You can even see here that my hand holding the GlamGlow slime has way more glitter on it than the other one. So in conclusion, this black hollow slime is pretty amazing, but you definitely don't need to spend $70 making it. I've included the recipe down below, which uses very cheap ingredients. The good thing about a black slime is that it doesn't turn cloudy or start looking dirty quite as quickly. If the texture starts feeling rubbery, then you can simply deactivate it using some glycerine or lemon juice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to take part in the slime and squishy giveaway, which is linked just down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe to Cute Life Hacks and Macaroon, and follow me on Instagram as well. I'm Joanna, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!